Thanks, guys. Oh, cold out here. Maybe my special effects guys can just get me a sunny, warm day. Oh, we don't have a budget for that. Okay, well maybe they can at least get me a fire going. Shazam! That's more like it. Well, special effects guys can't conjure up huevos a la mexicana con chorizo y queso. So it's getting hungry out here. Let's get to cooking. Okay, on this Thursday's episode, we're gonna make some huevos a la mexicana con chorizo y queso. For those of you in Iceland who subscribe to us, this is Mexican eggs, chorizo, which is a nice little Mexican sausage, and cheese. Pieces of bacon. Always remember to add some bacon to your food. Get it in, say, 1/2-inch pieces. Just a big rough chop, like so. And then we're gonna get this chorizo. This is in a plastic casing. Slice right through. Probably not gonna use all of it. See how that is? I'm gonna squeeze her out. Oil. When you're cracking eggs, do them from flat surface. Don't do them on the edge. You're gonna probably get some shell in there if you do them on the edge. Boom. See that? These are fresh from the farm. Look at those yolks. That's beautiful. You got a nice, bright, yellowish orange yolk. You are good to go. Mash into that. Just give it a nice whip. We don't need any black pepper because we're using quite a bit of jalapeno. It's going to take a minute or two for this to cook up. Render out some bacon, render out some good porky goodness fat. Some eggs in there. You're not really necessarily cooking the tomatoes and onions and jalapeno, because you want some good little chunkiness to it. You're just adding that in there. Woo, we got some jalapeno going today. Where's my production assistant? Surely I got a production assistant. One day. Oh, come on, man. I need a production assistant. I need somebody to hand me a blankie. Just sum up with the smoke in my eyes. Why is it I always have smoke in my eyes? And put a little bit cheddar on top. Oh man. I want to get one of our homemade tortillas that we did in a previous Tuesday's tip. And refried black beans that we've done also. And I am ready to eat. See? Proper breakfast. It's going to keep me going all day long. Well, until, lunch. This is too cold out there. Going back to bed. Come here, puppies. They're just getting too big. I need a new tent or a dog house for them. Anyway, it's been fun. Share us on Facebook, give us a like, please subscribe. I'm out of here.
White Knuckle Studios.